These days, your first showing will be on the internet. Your price, listing description, and photos determine whether someone will visit in person. Consider professional staging advice or help. Prepare for photos and videos just as carefully as real visits. Ask your realtor if they use a professional photographer. If they do, look at prior photos and pick someone who understands the job. Photos should make the most of your home's features and give prospective buyers an emotional connection that invites them to visit in person. Help them envision their lifestyle in the house, not just the counters and walls. If your realtor recommends video, just as with photography, stage it carefully and hire a professional because it will pay off. And look over your listing when it goes live on a computer and a mobile device to make sure it's accurate, pleasant, and compels people to show up. Remember, these days, your first showing will be on a screen.